Yo peeps, this is a follow-up on me finishing on with the upgrade of the M.2 memory in my Acer laptop. Now, what you do, I can zoom in a bit more for you guys, there. You hit the power button, and then you hit the F2 repeatedly, and then the BIOS will show up. I will show you how it's done. Power F2 repeatedly. I have a code for mine. Now you can see if your laptop accepted it or not. You can see right there the 1 terabyte Fanling S501Q. Then what you do is you go to the boost, and you can see that it is UEF1. Now you just go, sorry for moving that, use the arrows on your keyboard. That's how you move your cursor on here. You go to exit, continue, continue. I'm bored. But I'm excited though. This isn't boring to do this, it's just boring on waiting for this part. This is the bored part. Waiting for the loading. But again, this isn't sponsored. I pay for this all. So don't be shy to like, subscribe, and comment. And now I'm going to continue, since my loading screen is almost done. There we go. Hold on 1 second. There. Wow, that was really fast. Now, what you do is you go to your keyboard, you hit the Windows and then the R at the same time, and then the little window will pop up, and then you type in disk M.2 MSC, and then hit return. And then for this one, I've already did it. I should have done it with you guys on here, but it's all good. What you do is anything that showed unlinked or undetected or anything, what you do is you right click, then you change this, and then you also then you also go to share a shark, and then you enable everything, and then once that's done, you don't need to do anything else. You close out of this, and then your laptop is ready with that upgrade. And again, this isn't sponsored, so don't be shy to like, subscribe, and comment, and please do the best you guys can to help me out so I can get sponsored and I can actually start giving out stuff, and also I can do more of posting on my YouTube, because it's all out of my pocket, so that's why it's taken me a while to do a lot of posting. Alright, peace.